Mami mamu akwaba eba Ghana Sem TV GH. Mesra or like, comment, subscribe. Turn on notification also so that anytime you post video biti say we will stand back happy. Ebusian for and be a trend the power or social media no so. Go bebre if is almost say a kind of entertainment news. But me entertainment news mommy. Me say ade back wo me hu say media before media assemble channel. This me confuse me hu sa na me di che. We are my dear. Say me feel me feel but me train. Me mama who time. Now if see years after. Me pay a few moments later. Me pay years after. Papa be a friend of Dr. Agyekum. Dr. Agyekum. Sa papa no. Me, I've been quiet. Waiting for the right time. Na nyo nunkwa, nkofo bebre wo a move from influencers 2024. Mu ye agenda the tia NPP. Bebre na nimpa se ade akufado ni NPP aye no. Aban bi antimi nye. Again, nim se cheddar ontimi wini aba. Papa se be se NPP chances enti. Na makọ say na cheddar new force. Na sa papa e fe Dr. Agyekum no hye mbi. New force for yi. Enti mi de nim se one day issues will be uncovered. Enti me going through social media and realizing say na se maba no. I say yes, asemboni obi asemboni to obi a me de o. But you see, I want Ghanaians to understand say obi our interest. From journalists to some influencers, in fact, most influencers. Obi building na no edi share politics mu bia no our interest. Nkofo bebre a mu sorry eye dede. Na nkofo wi aska na we omu di aska omu say na we say bebre no. It is because they are not getting benefits from that stolen money. Until more chance, they do worse. Yeah. And then NDC for Omanka say MPP for are stealing money and all. And say yeah. People are buying office chair, office uko humbona, team. Yeah. And Timako say, Sa papa no see $15,000 be allegedly akwa dini ho. Now ono see sikanu esere se na emoye basa obi a oyare am say obi a oyare mponi ene ye be minister ene ye sika nyina ye hu bi. Yeah. Na sa mami so efem na don koi atai ND afere on do yi ni hu film there be on timi yi hu film. Ek fa sem kokota be bisa no se wo na oji sika no wo na odi wudin ji sika no wo na odi wenim eji sika no eba no sen na ko transfer sika no to Agyekum no na bisa won so sama menu so ono so sorry tia MPP misi mu nyina ba o Nyankopon akofo Nyankopon MPP Nyankopon onu mu be dili ene mu ne yeah. You see, by 2028 on, Kofo Yina will be discredited. Obi amfi omubium. So that Ghanaians can go and decide who becomes their leader as a president based on achievement of the political party. Yeah, Penima Obiambe fa prophecy and a coupon see and I say ni say and now be also say or a celebrity Nakuma wood Debbie. That is why I'm liking all these revelations that are coming up, all these awakenings. Bia beje ni second ebusianfo baby bia wo Ghana ha bia se wo pe photographers omunim juma eba no editing omu twa pictures omu cameras akese lenses akese omu drones ni bia ope bia no a touch of the way photography for omu naba air screen so esa wo contact omu say yeah a wedding funeral birthday party and I say asase bi mpo na wo na opese wo hia drone video ni drone pictures of asasina but modern say wa contact the touch of the photography bebia upe so mo ye juma no ma e Ghana ha bebia no omo ye claro na omo ya ma and omo ye very 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 affordable so upe so ye birthday photo shoot mo manoni person surprise you be with a birthday photo shooter very important but modern say only touch of the photography for wedding komo and they catch them say Ghana Sem TVGH4 and I recommend it. Once when I can say Ghana Sem TVGH4 and I recommend you mupe when you have the special discount. Ebusian for ubet me boy your production as time is passing. Your studio kind of saying vision scanning and then also equipment in your manyama bebre. You might be say be more and all those things. One I'm bet me a boy. A political platform and a pro NPP political platform. And I scan kwana ye pay and I bet me say ye neutrals. And news no ba na ye NDC NPP news cow be a kaya drink a K. But ye see ye pesa ye say NPP wa buy moi. And no now manage me kweni. So we dedicate ourselves to NPP. And T and no po obi a my one Ghana crop NPP no. And there ye Debbie. And Tina, sometimes we compare advertisers. I'm say Debbie. If say be adverts wo mo I beka say MPP for and this for be say Juma ma and me. And you hear your support to keep this work going. That is why the number is right here on the screen. And Phyllis said, "No, there be you have no work into your pocket. So what you have is what you can give us." And people do so beautifully. Kofobi kura mu ni bi kura mu frɛ ɛde ka den ɛhyɛ yɛn kran. Is that the right tree there? He said yeah. But please help us. Help Ghana Sem move forward.
My own so I'll be honest and tell you.
Indeed, Doctor Mebao.
Jenna,
when you control it, when in a Ghana card.
Doctor Mebao.
Oh, what he me patch me boom and yachromo. See a solution. Ye per solution. And send you a meeting in Kawa.
Also, why Nipa 10K?
Oh, don't ballistic. Entity, Nipa 10K. No,
Nipa 10K. I'm gonna this kind of out. I'm gonna this kind of out. Doctor, I am very disappointed. If you want to man.
All right.
All right. Best of fire, doctor. No, fire, doctor. Hey, now one hit what's your mistake? 750 so or 2.70 2.7 kg. What is your mistake? And then CSM.
Page any menim 10 years here. Eddie raises more than $15,000. Less than 1 hour. Now, Doctor Eddie Scanner. One more year life, no my friend is a member. So a comment section for us a drop nana don't quarter drop her. Me a woman did me page. Me 4 yao. And a doctor no. What for yansa chrono so. Me nana don't go. Me nana don't go. Me wa how doctor we me my ye video amage ya majiji scamano. Me ye me video na doctor we baso. Doctor we buy na doctor yi osi onim nana bedi akon chara na me se be pow church doctor onim nana bedi akodia gay yi hwani situation ni tini ni ala el pro ti se onim nana bedi akodia be pow chow na doctor say oh eye simple man no de nkrofo bebreda ko bedi akoho Nam se wo ye ma bedi akohwe ge ya or ye politics na me ye campaign ya mano nkrofo wo life ne so and a doctor de number mama and I me so be the number it take you almost couple of days in pass and I me frɛ ya bagigis come again ewie doctor fa na ko bedi akwa fido se opeso ogigis come girl no na me say okay so opeso ogigis come na a good idea but me die me di the number na gigi ye now so wo do opeso wan ka se we bue NGO mo gina line so say they should drop me a doctor use me we use me page me sweat and a doctor dey nya sa sika no wo ka che doctor say they should drop me wo ka che don ballistic they should drop me and then the whole day one mo yellow me na doctor me na we use me viewers me followers one a wo mo hwe me and then nam so no wo mo send this scan they should drop me or some might say and yen dan kwani andadwe say my tutu a my tatantam ni say and yen dan kwani andadwe me na don kwankasa no me ankasa no awrade yankopon the metumia ba life mama frag girl no ne konda ne chi na girl no ya gigiska what do momo number doctor di ni momo number na me no wedding ko maka just doctor forget the number what's no na me so okay sika no nda account mu na bom kwa me gi wo bi a one ne donation aga nipa ko no hwe e make sure say nipa ko yare no nti ma nipa ko no guide doctor we say dey bi da na wala wo bi a woni nipa no beye sana doctor or the adwenkese and no di bedi me doctor share me no ohun se me yotitifo nti asoso oba na obia oyare a girl aniti ayese doctor e bai na me gigi scammer no odi ni momo number ye na ne na ye nya 9,000 and change and ni momo number ma $9,000 so and yes see this $9,000 less than 30 minutes so we will get this situation and you be no be catch yourself boy girl no ni tina ho no ni tikoni ni aye kuro open a doctor ni momo no ye ma and a doctor na la free girl be also offend Gina Sky na Gina Sky na din account within 30 minutes ni yenya almost $6,500 Saturday no ye me na donko me we were able to raise more than $15,000 within hour or hour and a half. We are doctor we so basha gay me wo 2 days or 3 days and our friend me say doctor for catch we say again see ye ne surgery no kwa obewu nti girl no wo ba nti ube make sure se sika no de beto wo ama ne ba na don komala minim otitifo am say doctor so ube make sure sa kwala de benya support no hia no kwa na discan beto yama na sa na ye na so na ube ye ne sa ama no me me problem egu me so dosom me ala me ntumi nya da agire mponton made nti me di minim se wakofa edin doctor wo ye sojeni wo London de ubedi no kre sana doctor eye adwenkese ena odibedi me na wo mebebu me fo mo de me na donko na nyam forta enyam fort bako po to anepe na homa sane kwon na de ta minti tambia ya me say no ma me so mentu ma bodo ngu ansu ani na bia Nyankopon echicha wa cheme so bi ed ma so me so bi se phone crofo wo mo number help wo me phone so na busum bia ma ko na ma boa busum bia la our life ma woma frame since yala make woma ye invite to join e was so waka kire me na donko said they should drop me any invite where is it invite to join any invite don't ballistic. What catch the comment section? Cause drop Nana don't call me. I'm GG's. Can they should drop me? Hey, Erade. Che. Hey, Dio. Ding. Ding. And so soon in any chin, yes, men cassa. So I surrender. Bibia ye. Emma me cra. E kwong poyam ya. Bibia la ye. Emma me cra. Umi amoho. Na monkoso. Nana don't go dine dear. Oh, monkoso. No bia nya de opeso ye bia. Hey, it is okay. It is well with my soul. It's how about be boomy kwasi and to say. It's how ma wo waba be boomy kwasia. I was saying, come here, Diane. Sadly, no. May your life now. We want life. No, so what to say? I may pack kakra. Just papa, kakra, please prepare for food for Charlton. Now instead of me, ye Diane, I'm me back Charlton. Na kakra no cover for my Charlton. Na me de ma ho ding. Edi me ma ho ding. Edi me juma ma ye. Nkrofo gidi a wo me mu. Edi agigi ska. Edi amawo edi wesi wo so say wo se wo be make sure na we bue enji sa na wo mo se wo bua na sika no wo mo di doctor no we di sika no we di sika no we di doctor no ogigi sika no we di sika no me na donko na ye de odi me we you subi na ebu me kwasia no me they should drop me. It is okay.